Okay, guys, I'm back. Sorry. That's gonna be my must do. Look for that camera so that I don't, I can do longer videos, longer than 30 minutes, which I know a lot of people prefer smaller videos. But I don't know. I just don't like that I have to stop and do another video. What do you guys think? Are you guys cool with the 30-minute videos? Or should I look for the camera? Because I can do hour videos on the camera. You guys let me know. But yeah, I'm thinking that one there. Wait a little bit. There. There's a cute little birdie. Now, right here. And then get some of this seam binding. Okay, so we have one cute little tag ready. And it's already covered in the back, so you can journal in the back. Let's see. Oh, that one's not covered. I don't know. It's not making me feel good. I think I like this one a little better. What about this one? That one's not covered either. We even got these. Now let's do this one a little bit different. That one was a simple way to do a pocket, a tag. What if we grab some of this? And then what else can we add to this? There's some of this fabric. Which one's the front part? That one or no? I think it's this one. I'm gonna go with that. And then this one. Over here. I'm thinking there. Now, do I want to add a little saying? Whoops. Even add one to this one. No, not feeling it. Unless, what if we... You gotta try it all ways, guys. And I still don't like it. I like it more over there than here. I want to add something, I don't know what. What we can add. What if I was to add a little piece of cheesecloth somewhere? It needs something. Thing is all in trying to get us a good side. I think. Let's see, what do I have here? Let me dig through my stuff. Where'd a button go? Oh, that's backwards. No. I feel like I want to put something there. See, now what did I do with the cheesecloth? Jesus. I definitely like the cheesecloth, but I feel like I need to put something there. I'm putting the cheesecloth down. I like that. But I want to put something. What can we put, guys? Whoops. Why is that little flower keep attacking me? I think it wants to be used. I like that there. Now this one, my God, look at my hands. What can we put there? This flower keeps following me, but I don't think it goes. I don't even know what I did with the center. No, no flower. I'm not sure what I want there. So I'm going to leave that one there for a bit. It'll come back to me. And let's see what we can do with this one. Ooh, no, I like this one better. What do I want to add? What is this? Okay, let me go back to my little pile of stuff in here. That's cute. Let's see if this would work. That's cute. But I'm thinking of adding something, well, brown. This isn't brown. I just want something that'll make it stand out more. How come I don't have anything brown? Nope, I don't have anything. Let me see, guys. What time is it? Okay, we're still good. Let's see, what kind of papers do we have in here? I have some of this straw paper from that's kind of cute. That's from Rachel. There you go. I'm trying to look for like dark, not dark, but darker brown paper. And I got so much scraps, but not the color I want. Okay, I'm gonna have to look for that for the next video. But I kind of like that. And then what else can we add? Oops. Sorry, guys. Sorry. What if we were to add... No. I don't know. I don't know. But I do know I need to trim this a little bit. I like that. I'm going to do that. Where's my glue book? And then I'm going to sew around it. Now, do I want to add some of this? Let me see how this would look. I don't know. I think I kind of like it without it. What do you guys think? OMG. I can't hear you guys. I can't hear you guys. I feel like I want to add something, but I don't know what. What if I just add a piece? See, I like that. Okay, okay. That'll work. Okay, let me stitch real quick. I'm going to do this straight stitch. kids are really laughing. Okay. Hold on, I got an itch in my back. I have this too that I haven't used. Okay, so I'm thinking add some lace. Yeah, I like that. I'm going to go for that. Whoops. Everything's sticking to me. And then this one. Oh my goodness. What if I add, instead of seam binding, add a piece of, there it is. A small piece of this. Or is that too fat? I'm going to zigzag through there. I wonder if those would look cuter with that. Maybe thinner? Ah! I think I'm liking that better. Then just zigzag there. I still need to put something on that one. Yeah, I kind of like the little... Nah, I'm leaving this one like that. Where are we? 24. Okay, I'm good. So this one, we need to zigzag. I don't think those kids heard what "stay quiet, mom's gonna record" means. What they're doing, that they're having so much fun. That's cute. I like that. I need to do the same thing with this one. Whoops. There's that one. But I still can't figure out what to put there. What do we want? I want to add something. Put a large butterfly. I don't know. I can't figure it out. This one, do we want to put any wording? I know I had. See, these are cute also for tags. This is from Shabby Dabby Doodah. Oh man. $27. Oh goodness. Thinking one of these. Let's just have a play and see. No, it's too small. Okay, that didn't work. But I still have these two to do. But yeah, I don't know what to put there. So for now, I'm just gonna leave it as is. This, I'm gonna leave it as is too. I'm not sure if I want to add a saying. I have one here. It says special kindness. Oops. That don't look cute there. No. What do you guys think? Should I or shouldn't I? It's like yes and no. This one definitely not. I can't figure what to put there. This one, yes and no. I like the saying. You know what? We're going to put it down. And I'm just going to put it as is. I'm not going to put any back into it. Oops. Yeah, I like that. Okay guys, that's it for today. I'm gonna stop because I'm already reaching the 30 minutes. Yeah, I'm not sure what I'm gonna add there, but I am gonna keep sitting here breaking my head and see what the heck I'm gonna put there, and I'm gonna keep playing with these thingies. So I will see you guys on the next video. You guys take care. God bless. Bye.